Hi, this is Roxana, and I just wanted to go through providing audio feedback for students on their assignments and how to do it. Sometimes, of course, it's great to provide comments and utilize the different tools that we have available to us in the grading within Canvas. However, sometimes it's just easier to give feedback in an audio manner for students. And so in this case, you'll see that I have a persuasion map for students that are working on their argumentative essay. And so this was kind of the pre-writing assignment that I wanted them to complete before they actually wrote their rough draft. So it functions as a pre-write and an outline. So in this case, I'm looking, of course, for their introduction to see that they have some kind of argumentative claim or stance, and then some of the reasoning that they have included to make sure that it supports the stance that they are stating. So to give this student audio feedback, I'm going to come over here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to click on Media Comment. Oh, and there it is. And there's the screen there. So I have an option to keep the video if I want, or I can just go to the mic and then the webcam. And if I don't want the video for option, I can just say no video. And so then from there, what I can do is I can start recording. So I'm just going to press start recording. And so it's recording right now. So I can say to the student, I think you have a great start here. I'd like to see more of a stance. So if your stance is that vaping is healthier than smoking cigarettes, then make sure that that is your stance. And then what I'm going to do is finish. And I can save it. And then automatically it gets sent to the student. And then the student should be able to access it through his or her assignment and receive the feedback. And again, you can use the video option or you can use the audio only option. And that's how you provide audio feedback to your students. I hope this is helpful. Thanks.